It's one of the golden autumn Ozark mornings like nowhere else in the world. Fragrant smoke rises from a large boulder-rimmed fire pit as 20 women and men prepare their horses for the day's ride. Monk, the wolf, howls impatiently. He and several other dogs, like Jojo and Nichols, always accompany the Ridge Riders. The horses pay no mind to the dogs. They stand patiently as they're saddled and bridled. The riders, some with chaps and boots, load their provisions and cinch everything securely. The youngest Ridge Rider is 7, the eldest in their 60s. They're farmers, a physical therapist, home health aides, an engineer, a college teacher. One teenage girl comes most every weekend with her dad.
My name is Olivia Dunlap, and my horse's name is Pokemon, and I've been riding for 4 years. And I love horse camp because all the people and all the horses and all the fun times we have all the time.
Olivia grew up here, one of the few. The others are a mix of old-timers and newcomers who also love to have fun on horseback. Every April and October, they trailer in their horses and campers and live here for up to 5 weeks. Some leave on Mondays to work or study, but by Friday they're all back. This is the 4th week, and still the horses are excited to head out on the trail. It's a little late, 11 a.m. A single file of the Ridge Riders exit the camp and cross a low-water bridge into the woods. Over the next 5 hours, the horses will huff up mountainsides, step carefully along bluff precipices, careen down steep switchbacks into deep rocky creeks, then back up again. But when someone yells, "Rider down," everyone stops. Could be a problem. Most likely it's someone heeding the call of nature, or a saddle needs adjusting. After several hours, it's time for lunch in a shady ravine next to a stream.